Hey everyone, how is it going today? Are you completely tired of having a cluttered kitchen counter full of different appliances just to make a morning smoothie or chop some fresh vegetables? If you want to easily simplify your cooking space, you need the best all-in-one blender and food processor. Welcome to Triplezon. Let's get started. The Ninja all-in-one blender and food processor comes packed with everything you need to transform your daily meal preparation routine. This fantastic machine brings impressive versatility and serious power together in a single, highly efficient kitchen system. Instead of buying a separate machine for every single task, this appliance is specifically designed to handle a very wide range of food preparation tasks, saving you valuable time and physical effort in the kitchen. At the very foundation of this incredible appliance is a heavy-duty motor that delivers 1800 peak watts of power. Having 1800 peak watts of pure strength at your fingertips means the machine effortlessly blends, crushes, chops, mixes, slices, and shreds anything you throw inside. Whether you are tossing in solid ice cubes or tough root vegetables, this motor powers through them. It acts as a highly reliable solution for your everyday cooking needs and more demanding culinary projects. One of the absolute most fascinating features of the Ninja all-in-one blender and food processor is its brilliant BlendSense technology. This is a highly intelligent built-in system that automatically senses your ingredients and actively adjusts both the blending speed and time to suit them perfectly. Because it intuitively does all the heavy thinking for you, it ensures consistently smooth and highly precise results without any guesswork. Right alongside this smart technology is the intuitive Detect dial. This brightly lit dial greatly enhances usability by clearly displaying the exact current mode on the screen. This allows you to stay in complete control throughout the entire process, knowing exactly what the machine is doing. When it comes to overall holding capacity, this kitchen system truly shines. It features a beautifully constructed 72-ounce blending pitcher that gives you plenty of room to work with. This huge pitcher is absolutely ideal for preparing large family-sized portions of delicious fruit smoothies and tasty frozen drinks in just one easy batch. However, sometimes you just want to make a quick personal drink before heading to the office. For those busy mornings, you will absolutely love using the included 24-ounce single-serve cup. It offers unmatched convenience for anyone who is constantly on the move. It even comes perfectly equipped with a secure spout lid, allowing you to quickly blend your favorite drink and take it right out the door without pouring it into a travel mug. To make your personal blending experience even better, there is a clever built-in liquid detect feature. This smart sensor ensures optimal blending by actually signaling you when additional liquid is needed, guaranteeing you never end up with a jammed blade or a chunky drink. Moving on to more detailed food preparation, you can easily switch your setup over to the included 8-cup power food processor bowl. This specific attachment is an absolute lifesaver because it delivers incredibly efficient chopping, smooth pureeing, and even heavy dough mixing for up to 2 solid pounds of ingredients at once. Whether you are making fresh salsa or mixing thick dough for bread, it cleanly handles all the exhausting hard work for you. To naturally expand its incredible functionality even further, you also get an exceptionally sharp slicing and shredding disc right in the box. This specific metal attachment makes it incredibly simple to perfectly prepare fresh vegetables, blocks of cheese, and other stubborn ingredients with total precision. Plus, the smartly included feed chute lid and dedicated food pusher provide wonderful added safety and exceptional convenience. They actively keep your fingers safely away from the sharp parts while you simply push your ingredients down. To perfectly tie all these amazing attachments together, this system features a highly responsive variable speed control setting. This manual control gives you total flexibility for a massive variety of different complex recipes. It allows you to carefully dial in the exact power level you need to achieve the exact texture and perfect consistency that you desire. Combining highly advanced smart features with a very practical design, the Ninja all-in-one blender and food processor serves as a truly comprehensive tool for modern kitchens. Upgrading your daily cooking routine has never been this simple. Check the price link in the description to find out more details and grab this amazing cooking station for yourself. Like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you all in the next video.